Hi everyone. If you know the law of attraction, you can do wonders in your life. You can change your life simply. Only thing is you have to spend 10 minutes daily to listen to this audio, and law of attraction will take care, will change your financial position. You have to believe it. Simply listen to these affirmations every day, 10 minutes a day, it will change your financial life. I am going on saying the affirmations. You please repeat in your mind. You continue this every day, you can see a massive change in your life. I am a money magnet. I attract money to me easily and effortlessly. I release all resistance to attracting money. I accept and receive unexpected money. Prosperity is drawn to me always. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Wealth constantly flows into my life. My finances improve beyond my dreams. I am attracting money at this very moment. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life brings me. I attract money happily in my life. I attract money beyond my wildest dreams. I am open to receive money in my life. The more I focus on joy, the more money I will make. I attract money to give it to others. Money is energy and it flows into my life constantly. Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. I have the power to attract wealth and money into my life. Money is abundant. I attract it naturally. Money is unlimited and my prosperity is unlimited. Money is pouring into my life. An abundance of money is flowing into my life right now. My mind is a powerful magnet for wealth and abundance. Money flows to me freely as I move through this world. I will attain all the riches that I desire with time. I am on my way to becoming wealthy. Everything I need to build wealth is available to me right now. There is money all around me. I have to just grab it. I'm a magnet that attracts money in any endeavor I undertake. I love attracting money. Money falls into my lap in miraculous ways. People love giving me money. I trust that more money is coming to me. I am aligned with the energy of wealth and abundance. I allow money to flow to me easily. Money is being drawn to me in every moment. I am so grateful for the ability to manifest money when I want it. I am creating an abundant future with my thoughts today. More money is lining up for me right this minute. I choose to focus on money flowing to me with ease. I can see examples of abundance all around me. Money chooses me always. I visualize myself having money and receiving more and more money. Money is drawn to me always. I attract wealth to me from all directions. I attract massive amounts of money to me. I deserve to be rich. I allow prosperity to flow into my life. I am capable of overcoming any money obstacles. I boldly conquer my money goals. I am the master of my wealth. I can handle large sums of money easily. I am an excellent money manager. I believe money is very much important to me. I know the money is full freedom. My capacity to hold and grow money expands every day. I always have more money coming in than going out. My income is always higher than my expenses. I enjoy managing and investing my money. My finances improve beyond anything I could ever imagine. I am wealthy and living on my own terms. Money is a tool that can change my life for the better. I control money easily. I am a capable person. I tackle all the money obstacles successfully. I have the power to be financially successful person. I have the power to improve my relationship with money. I can find the positive in my money situation. I believe in my ability to use the money that comes to in my life to meet all my financial goals. It is within my power to create a successful and financial future. With hard work, I can build the financial future that I desire. I have the discipline to make hard financial choices now to enjoy an easier life later. I am in control of my spending. My debt doesn't control me, I manage it. Making choices to build wealth today can allow me to create the life I desire. I have the ability to learn how to manage my money better. I am excited to keep my finances on the right path. My actions perpetuate a life of prosperity. I can track my expenses and stick to my budget. I can make my dreams a reality with careful budgeting. I am passionate about building wealth and recognize all the value that it brings into my life. I am capable of managing large sums of money. I am responsible with money and manage it wisely. I am successful with money always. I am one step closer to my financial goals. Financial success belongs to me and I accept it now. Every action I take will plant seeds of wealth in me. I make wise financial decisions and trust my process. I am ready to make my financial goals and dreams a reality. I am excited to start and establish my money making goals. I am a successful money saver. It is easy for me to change my money story. I reclaim my money power. I choose to be organized and responsible with money. No matter how I feel or what I do, money gets to be easy. Being rich is a part of who I am. Money is a tool and I am going to learn to use it very well. I am in control of my financial life. I overcome all obstacles that lie in my way of financial success. I'll be debt free and I have the power to make it happen. My savings will continue to grow and I will be financially secure.